Thanks, bro. I appreciate that.
Bro, bro, ito. Saan sige mal?
Lo nakita ko tabang panak. Rumo tabe ni.
Yeah.
So like,
Pwede nakita natin na kaya. Kita control lagi.
what's the best budget smartphone? What's the best budget smartphone for 2025? Short answer, it always gonna be a short answer, is the Realme. This is called a Realme C51 or 55. I don't really know. This phone is amazing, bro. Not only it has 50 megapixel, it actually has 25 front facing camera, selfie what. It has 6,000 millipower battery. It supports all these crazy updates that come with amazing app features. This phone is amazing. It has a bunch of features. You guys can't see it because I'm in a, I can't really see it that well because, and I know you might be thinking, oh, it's not an iPhone. Well, it's actually better than an iPhone. It's like the most budget smartphone, and it supports 90 hertz, meaning this phone is super smooth with smooth animation. It's like, yeah, it's amazing, but it's amazing. It's just I can't show you because I'm in, the lighting. I explained the lighting sucks. Quit playing with us. But yeah, other than that, this phone is amazing. The camera's fantastic. They are awesome. It even supports Android 15, meaning you can customize your phone at a higher level. Stop playing with us. So, anyways, you guys subscribe this. Oh, it even has a thingy. What do you call this thing? A fingerprint. This fingerprint, bruh. This stuff is cool. I'm not gonna lie, bruh. Look at that. It has a fingerprint. It has 90 hertz, amazing sound, amazing camera. Is it the best? Short answer, yes, it is the best. Have I seen any problem with this phone? Well, the people who have been using this phone, I never heard. And there's been some speculation that this phone is water resistant. Is that true? I actually don't know, but yeah, it has that amazing texture at the back, that kind of crispy paper texture like. It's like, yeah, it's an amazing phone. I'm not gonna lie, bruh. No, I'm not. But is it better than Samsung? I don't know. So the owner's right here. So yeah, let's ask him. How do you feel, bruh? So, bruh, like, do you think this phone of yours is it like the best phone, bruh?
Yes.
Okay, that's okay, bruh. That's okay. So like, yeah, buy it, bruh. Buy it. Anyways, yeah, subscribe. Stop playing.